Hey everyone, it's Lindsay with The Creative Arrow, and I am here with something brand new and exciting to share with you. I am starting for the first time ever my very own art membership programs. So, this is going to be perfect for anybody looking to live a more creative life, and I'm going to take you through all the benefits today, including a link to join at the bottom. So I'm going to take you through each membership one at a time, show you the materials that you're going to end up getting, and kind of explain like the benefits. So with the smallest membership, it is the bronze membership. This is $5 and it is a 1 month long membership that you can do one time. So if you're curious and interested and you want to kind of see what this is about, this will be a really good low risk option for you. So if you have been a part of my group or following me for a while, I usually put out 20 journal prompts every month. This year, since I'm doing the membership, I'm changing it up a little bit. So this is what you will see if you are not a part of my membership. You will see 10 prompts, and then as you see, 10 of them are also whited out. So once you join a membership, bronze, silver, gold, you will get all 20 of my prompts. So you will get every single one, and then you will also get descriptions that go through each one and tell you kind of like some more details about what they are. For instance, frozen moments. You're going to paint or sketch a frozen memory from the past year that you want to preserve. Use cool tones like deep purples, blues, to really help capture that, so that it goes through each one with some more descriptive terms and instructions to kind of help you with the prompts. So you'll end up with the full list and the full descriptions. You will also get free printables that I created and hand drew on Procreate for this month. So for January, we have some of these really pretty and vibrant numbers, designs. January, another year in the books. This one here has some little cozy hats. I love hot chocolate or coffee or whatever hot beverage you need to stay warm in the cool season. I love plants. That's what keeps me happy sometimes, especially in the season. So I have some other things here. New Year of Possibilities. And then this one here goes along with some of those prompts from this month. So for our I Have a Dream, I put this one here for MLK Day. Aspirations, I have this one here for my aspirations. There's one in here that's included from the membership. Word of the Year, we have Word of the Year. And then this one too is also included from the membership. So these are yours to print out and then cut, paste, use however you would like in your art journals or collage or whatever it is. I also am including a coloring page. So I'll probably have 1 to 2 to maybe 3, I don't know, depends on the season and my inspiration, but this is the coloring page for this month. So you will get all of these things in your bronze membership. So I know that it's only 1 month, but again, it's your nice free trial. And you also become a member. I'll add you to my little art community so that you'll see what that's all about. And you will get to talk with other creatives and kind of like help build your confidence in your inspirations and your ideas. So that is the bronze membership, $5, 1 month trial. The next one up is your silver membership. So in the silver membership, you get everything that I just mentioned. So all of these beautiful designs, you'll get the coloring page. Sorry, there's so much in here. And then you will also get free access to my course, Starting an Art Journal. Anyone can do it. That is a course that I have on my website. It's $25 right now. You will get it for free, and then you'll get all of the things that come with that. So there's even more materials I'm not going to show you because they're kind of a surprise. But there's an art journal cheat sheet. There's more printables, more designs, There's video tutorials on how to do different backgrounds. I give you tons of tips on how I started a creative art journal habit and how I keep it going. And then you also get access to my group as well. And then you get every month. So this is a 6-month trial. So sorry, the silver membership is $10 a month for 6 months. So $60 value. And every month you will get brand new sets of these. So this is all from January. There will be one for February with 20 more designs, prompts, and then like 30 more plus designs here, more coloring pages, all of those things. So February, March, April, whatever months it is that you get, 6 months, $10 a month, and you get these designs new every month. You also have exclusive step-by-step tutorial videos each month. So there will be 6 in total for your silver membership, and that will be done by Zoom. So we're going to be coming up here pretty soon to the end of the month, and we're going to have our first Zoom art tutorial class led by me, and so that's going to be a fun opportunity for you as well. So for your silver membership, it's $10 a month for 6 months, and every month you get all of these things. For your last membership, the highest one, that is the gold membership, it is $20 a month and it goes for a whole year. And with that one, you get all of these things as well. Plus, every month you will get a original print. So this is the one for January. It's nice and serene. It's a watercolor piece. So this is yours to print out, display, frame, however you want to use it. But you will get a new one every month. So you will end up with 12 different pieces of original art that you can display in your home, give as gifts, however you would like to use it. You will also get the exclusive class, same as you got from silver. So everything in the silver membership you will get each month. And then you will get 3 different brainstorming sessions with me. Again, these will be over Zoom. So these will be 30-minute sessions. You can schedule them whenever you would like. It can be every 3 months or every 4 months or whenever you need some creative inspiration. So you will get 3 creative sessions with me over Zoom. You will also end up with the free access to the Starting an Art Journal Anyone Can Do It class, as well as Happy Meal on your birthday from me, handmade. I will send you something really special to help brighten your day. You will get a swag bag of stickers and other ephemera when you sign up. So I'm gonna give you'll tell me what your interests are, what you're interested in creating, what your likes and dislikes are, and then I will send you a swag bag that has everything that you could need to get started. Stickers, colored pages, ephemera, scrapbook paper, old book pages, whatever it is that you're interested in, I will send that to you, and you will get that when you sign up. And then you will also get to be a member of my group as well for the whole year. So it's a really, really amazing opportunity. It's going to come with all of these things and just so much support to help you keep going and really foster a creative habit. So I'm really excited about these membership programs. I hope that you are too. Honestly, if you are even slightly interested, please just try it. I'm gonna deliver. I really, really want people to buy into it, to really start their own creative habits. Because I know that for me, if I wouldn't have gotten into this, my life would be completely different than it is now. And I just want to help everybody else. So, I'm putting the links below. You can check them out at your own leisure. If you have any questions, please ask. I would love to answer all of your art questions, especially about the memberships, but also just in general. Make sure that you are liking, subscribing, and following, and let me know what you would like to see in the future. Or if you have ideas for things that you would like to learn, I could do that in my art journal classes. Or also, if you have different things that you would like to see in a print, let me know. I'm always here and up for your ideas. Thank you so much for following and watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.